Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prom for this evening. I am Daedran. Julian Royal Marley is celebrating the release of his 5th studio album Colors of Royal, which dropped last Friday. The groovy, upbeat, rhythmic album boasts 8 tracks and was mainly produced by Alex and Theos of Monum Records. In an exclusive, Julian Marley, who is in Miami to promote the album, shared with E-Prom that Colors of Royal shows off his versatility.
The sound is different, dancehall, Afrobeatish, also reggaetonish, So there's a Caribbean flavor. It's a different style. It's not my usual type of style that the fans will know of me. And it's called Colors of Royal. You have 8 tracks, 2 remixes, which bring about a different element and a different sound, which is geared for different territories.
Julian shared that the album started off as a remix to the late legend John Holt's track, Tide is High. And the ladies will be tuned in when they hear Marley's flow on In a Mood. Now, Julian released the visuals for the track on Friday.
I'm in the mood, make a move. I'm in the mood with my dancing shoes and make a move. Coming closer, I'm in a mood for your love, in love with your smile and feel of your touch. Another rhythm make me want you so much, the way how you present yourself in a public.
Julian shared on the feedback on the album.
We're getting some good feedback, I have to give thanks for the support and the whole effort and the work going into the project, Only good things I've been hearing.
Colors of Royal debuted at number 2 on the Reggae album chart on its release date. E-Prime also spoke with Alex and Theos, the main producer and vision behind the album, who gave deets about taking Julian out of his comfort zone.
It was a wonderful experience because even though Julian is extremely humble and simple when it comes to his interactions in the studio, he actually knows what he's doing. He's very talented. Obviously, we took him outside of his comfort zone, which is the traditional roots reggae, and we tried Afrobeat and reggaeton and dancehall rhythms with him. Other producers stepped in, like Not Nice, and I don't have to introduce or tell you about Not Nice. We also had Son Alaric, who is a Jamaican based in Florida.
Still on Julian, he exclusively shared with E-Prime that he has been on a couple of the sets of his father's movie that is being shot as we speak in Jamaica. He says he is excited to see the new Bob Marley movie.
Yeah, we're excited because we watch everybody else's movie. I went on a couple of the sets, and I saw that, wow, it looks good. I wonder, I'm waiting to sit down and watch the full project now and let it draw me in, like come watch those other ones.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.